love the look of the Cadillac ATS and CTS, and I really love that even at night, you know when you're looking at a Cadillac. That's because Cadillacs employed these beautiful LED lighting strips on the most important corners of the Cadillac. Unfortunately, they didn't do so well right here with the side marker. That's an incandescent light. But thankfully now you can get side markers with LED lighting strips. Savage Cadillac has them for less than 30 bucks, and they come in a dark smoke color just how I like them. I'm going to show you how this is one of the easiest mods to do on your car right now. For this installation, the most important tool you need is a T15 Torx bit. And of course you'll need some way to drive it. I really love my Ryobi power screwdriver. It's got lots of torque, the battery lasts a long time, and it's got an LED light so you can see what you're doing. It's only like 40 bucks. You can use a driver like this, or just a regular ratchet, or I also really love my gimbal ratchets. I love these because they fit into a tight spot, they get into all sorts of angles, and have plenty of circumference to get a good grip on. You'll also need some type of plastic trim removal tool like this or anything equivalent. Here's the side markers. The Savage one's in black and the stock is yellow. They are pretty much identical, except the Savage one is very black. I've tinted my stock ones with nightshades, so they're a little darker than stock. Alright, to get started, the first thing you need to do is turn the wheel. If you're working on the left side marker, turn the wheel to the right. If you're working on the right side marker, turn the wheel to the left. Then use your T15 Torx bit to remove 2 screws in the wheel liner. Now take your trim removal tool and get it between the wheel liner and the fender and pry away the wheel liner. Be careful not to use metal here, you could scratch your fender. Now you have access to the side marker. Take a look at the Savage one. You just want to press these plastic barbs, the bottom and the top, just squeeze them gently and it will release the side marker. You can do it without seeing. So now I'll just reach up in there, squeeze the top one, and then squeeze the bottom, and the side marker slides right on out. Now just twist the bulb housing away from the side marker. Remove the bulb by pulling it straight out. Now grab your new side marker, and you'll see the wire has an end that is exactly like the bulb. So you're just going to plug it right into that gray piece of the housing. Once it's plugged in, you can easily test it by hitting the unlock button on your key fob. If it doesn't light up, make sure the connector is pressed in completely, or try turning it 180 degrees in the plug, and then it should be working. Tuck the wires into the housing of the side marker. Then line up the notches, give it a twist to lock it into place, and then turn the side marker to fit into the fender. It just clicks right into place. Now simply replace the screws in the fender liner. Once you've done that, just repeat for the other side, and you've got beautiful side markers. Wow, that looks great. I'd like to thank Savage Cadillac Parts for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out their website, savagecadillac.com. Lots of cool parts for your CTS, ATS, and even the CT6. Now, if this was as easy as I told you it would be sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when my next video comes out. Thanks so much for watching the Jeff Viola channel. We'll see you next time.